Hi guys, this is Adam with Adrenaline Cycles. We got a new 2021 model ATV in stock, and just wanted to do a quick little walk around on this. Not going to hit a ton of details on it because you guys can look that up on the BRP website. We'll put the link somewhere in the description down below so you can check out the exact specs. But did want to give you guys a walk around. This model we've had in stock in prior year models, and it's done really well for us. A little odd that we would be stocking it, but this is the Can-Am Outlander 850 North Edition. And with the North Edition, it comes with a few little different things that a normal Outlander would have. First off, you get a really nice windshield here to help keep the wind and rain and things off of you, as well as a different style wheel than the other Outlanders would have. As you can see there, it does come with a winch on the front, which is really nice as well. And all this is stock function, stock items. It's not added on. It's just on the machine how it comes from BRP. You can also look here, it has the integrated metal pegs for some shore grips. So if you are riding, you got mud and things, it's going to grip really well. Super nice racks with the Q-links as normal. That'll take all the, BRP boxes and coolers and radios and all that stuff. We'll link into that. And again, like I said, guys, this is the 850 V-twin, so you're pushing out about 78 horsepower. And let me tell you what, dude, that's a lot on an ATV. I mean, I remember back in the day, the old 800s didn't even have that much horsepower in like a Razor or a 900 XP Razor. So this thing has as much as those on a smaller platform, lighter, and it's going. Some things you can look at here on the controls for 2021. They had this in other models. You got heated grips and then also heated thumb. So your hands will stay warm in the winter if you do want to ride it in cold, or if you're hunting, during the fall months or winter months. This will definitely help keep you warm, keep your trigger finger warm, keep your thumb release warm here because it's got the heated thumb throttle. The dash is a little different for this year model as well. As you can see here, it's a little more smaller, a little more compact than years past. Also has an accessory plug where you can plug into to heat like your helmet so it doesn't get fogged up or anything like that. And that's about it, guys. It's a really nice unit. As you can see, a pretty color in the white with the black stands out really well. And this model, guys, we get it in, and it's the price point, I think, is what gets a lot of people really excited about it. It retails for $10,999, and that's a great buy on any of these big Can-Am, especially being an 850. That's a killer deal with what it's got on it, guys. So keep that in mind if you're looking for a good ATV, especially if you're out hunting and things, you need a little more power, want four-wheel drive, looking for a winch. This would be a great upgrade for you guys to have out in the woods, and just to ride in general around the farm, because the windshield and the other little accessories come on it from the factory. So if you guys have any questions or anything and interested in this model, just call here at the shop, and we'll have Justin or one of the sales guys take care of you.